Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, bringing you a product. This is the Spanarci Sandy 2000. It is a tire inflator, as it says in the title, and this is what you get in the box. You get, of course, the pump unit. You get a little box that has a few inflator tips. You get, of course, the instruction manual. You get a little storage bag and a wall wart charger with a USB-C to charge up the unit. Also, of course, it comes with a hose. So what this thing is of course, it's a tire inflator, but it also has a flashlight on one end, and it also has a USB out. So it's got the USB in, I think that's an in-out port, as well as a USB port for if you wanted to use this as a portable charger of some kind for, like, a, you know, your cell phone or some other USB based battery operated unit. You can charge it up. Now it does, of course it comes with an instruction manual, and you know, it's pretty involved, I guess, but there's not a whole lot of features, like added features and stuff, on the Spanarci unit itself. I see I'm getting a little bit of reflection there. I'll try to minimize that as best as I can. So the unit has it's got a 22.2 watt-hour battery in it. Pretty decent. They claim that it should operate for about 40 minutes under power without a load on it. So I don't know why you would need to have something like that. You know, maybe if you're inflating like a bed or something, but boy, it takes 40 minutes. That's going to take a long time. Anyways, it should have enough battery to be able to get through most tires. It's probably not going to do like a farm tractor tire or anything that's got a huge volume of air. That's going to have to be taken care of with something else. But for the home user, for somebody that has a, you know, like if you go out and your car's a little, you know, your tire's a little low on your car or your truck, this should take care of it without rolling out the big hose or you know, taking it to a shop and having them fill it up. Kind of just an on-the-spot thing. Anyway, I'll turn the unit on. Whoop. And you can see when it powers on, it's got these four little indicators on here. That just is the state of the battery. So it's got 100% battery right now. It's in PSI mode, and it's got a little car icon down there. If you move it across, you can see I can change, like the PSI starts flashing, and then I can change it to I should be able to change it, there we go, to bar and kPa. So if you need to use that unit for, you know, those units for wherever you're at, it accommodates that. It also has this little car feature, and I think it let me see here. So it's got right there the different modes. So you got car mode, you got, looks like a moped, a bicycle, and a basketball. So it's just got a few little presets in there, and it will pump up according to that, you know, whatever that is. So right now it's at 36 pounds for a car. You can change that without any issue at all. Boy, if I can just get this to go in the right thing. You know, it's like hold the button, don't hold the button. All right, let's put it back in PSI mode. And then you can change this out to whatever you want. So if you wanted 42 pounds, you know, say for the rear tire on your motorcycle, you could do that. It will turn on and hopefully shut off just before it, or just as it gets the 42 pounds. We are going to test that, and we're going to test the accuracy of it. So I'm going to set it at 40 pounds, and I've got a motorcycle tire that I will bring onto the bench here, and we'll test out to see just how accurate it is. Anyway, got the flashlight here. You can turn the flashlight on and turn it off. It's really pretty simple. It's pretty intuitive. It's, you know, certainly not hard to use. But let's go ahead and test this thing. Most of you guys on this channel will recognize this BMW tire. This is one that over on this side. It's kind of a junk tire, a junk rim, because well, you can't really see it too much, but you can see it right there. It's got a very severe bend in the rim, but I just haven't been able to bring myself to throwing it out yet. This thing should be completely dead, and it is, because it's showing on the meter here that it is completely dead. So I'll start this thing in motion and pump it up to 40 pounds and then see where we're at here. Alright, I better work fast because this thing's got a leak in it too. You can see on the you can hear it sizzling there. That thing definitely got a leak going. So let's check the air pretty quick. Got a good digital one here. Digital gauge. I'm going to put it up at 39 pounds. It's at 38.6 right now. So it's kind of dropping fast because it's got this hole in it. Now it does, they do claim that this unit has an accuracy of about 2 pounds, and that's pretty good. That will get you going again if you have a low tire, or if you're stuck on the road and you feel something not right, you go out there and check it out. You got a low tire, it'll at least get you to a shop where you can get your tire repaired, or maybe get you to work or something. Anyways, that is the Spanarci Sandy 2000, and if you do want one of these, they're available on Amazon. There is a link, of course, down below. They're not a whole lot of money either. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.